In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lists in Slack to manage a project. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project list and start adding tasks in a clear, organized way, all inside Slack. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Look over to the left-hand sidebar where you normally see your channels and direct messages. Just below that list, you'll find a small plus sign. This is the main button Slack uses to create new things like channels, canvases, and in our case, lists. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose List. If you don't see it right away, it may be grouped with other tools, so look carefully through the options. Selecting List tells Slack that you want to create or work with a structured checklist or project board, rather than just sending a message. Next, Slack will open a view that shows your existing lists if you have any. Here, you'll see another plus icon that lets you create something new. Click on that plus sign to start a brand new list. This makes sure you're not editing an old list, but instead creating a dedicated space for your new project. After clicking to create something new, Slack will again ask what you want to create. Choose List one more time. This confirms that you're setting up a proper list, which can hold multiple tasks, statuses, and details, instead of a file or another type of item. Now, give your list a clear, descriptive name. In the title field, type in what project you are managing. For example, you might use a name like Website Redesign, Marketing Launch Plan, or Team Onboarding Tasks. A specific title helps everyone in your workspace instantly understand what this list is for, and makes it easier to find later through search. Once your list has a name, you can start adding tasks below. Follow the on-screen prompts Slack provides. Typically, you'll click into the first empty row to add a task, then press Enter to create the next one. Add each task as a separate item, keeping the wording short but clear. You can refine details later, but for now, focus on capturing all the key steps in your project. Continue adding tasks until your project feels fully outlined. At this point, you've successfully created a project list in Slack and started building out the work your team needs to get done.